Hey there everybody, my name is OTHMARIUS and welcome to my channel. Guys, because I am a magician, my life is so stress-free, I don't need to worry about money a single bit in my life. I simply grab a little bit of air in my fist, just like that, and then I just wrap a little bit the back of my fist, that's it! And I turn the air in my fist right into money, see? I just gotta do this a couple of hours a day, and then I'm done, you know, buying myself a second yacht. Doopy 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 doop.
OTHMARIUS Magic. Like and subscribe.
Of course, it's not that easy, guys. You cannot pull something out of nothing because there is no nothing. If there was nothing, it would be something, and by definition, not nothing. Woo! We need a coin in order to produce a coin, and in this case, we are holding it out with the classic palm. If you've never seen this before, mind blown. If you know it and you're wondering like, how is the guy holding this coin so loose, and yet he got it so much under control, I've got an in-depth tutorial up and running right there in the, where is it? Info cards. Anyways, that's a prerequisite. That's what you need to know. You need to palm a coin, have the hand relatively operational, and then it's a piece of cake. You just close your fist, right? And then in this motion of turning it around, more or less, you just load the coin into. So we are holding out the coin in our dominant hand, in my case it's the right hand, and then we bring the attention to the other hand. We close the fist and then we load the coin just in the action of waving over the fist. We load the coin right there into the fist. And we cover this by, you know, this motion of, by this rotation motion of rubbing the back of the fist. That's how we learn it in Bobos Modern Coin Magic. Here's the beautiful thing about it, guys. This loading, you know, you can go completely crazy with it. You gotta give it a try. It has a lot to do with timing, and you best practice this, of course, in front of a mirror, so you can also just, you know, catch the coin kind of in mid-air while turning the fist around, something like this. I'm showing you this exposed. You'd see it go in there. Let me do this right now so that you won't see it, just like that. That's an option. Or you just play safe, so you just come around to rub the back of your hand. You have plenty of time, you're covered, to bring it in there and get a good grip, and you tilt the wrist around, and then you wait a little bit and maybe snap with your finger, or you blow your fist, or you have some spectator blow at your fist, or lick your fingertips or whatever. That's a disgusting thought. Oh, I gotta get this out of my brain right now. It's relatively easy as soon as you get the knack out of it, you know, and then you have a very powerful coin production at your hands from the layman's perspective. Layman dig that shit. So it's really good also for you guys who don't want to go wild and crazy on coins because you're already settled on cards, just like I did. This is a very nice thing, you know, to get a little bit into coin magic with to pimp up your card, right? And I love this so much because if you start practicing this now in front of a mirror, you are getting into a performance vibes of magic that we card magicians usually only know from card manipulation stuff, you know. So this is really like working with your whole body. This is really like getting some dance moves at our hands, you know, and becoming sensitive about angles and timing. It's like really some kung fu stuff to get in there, to load the coin, to hold it out in a natural manner, to be loose about it. This is really super rich for you guys who are usually working with cards. I believe I already mentioned this in this tutorial, that this is from Bobos Modern Coin Magic, and just can't find the book right now. So I'm just looking for the book where it is. I've got all of my books all over the place. Where is the freaking book? Oh, dude, I found it. Jesus Christ. That's unbelievable. What the heck? What was that now all about? No, I know. I got this from this book, but I just can't find it right now. Though, I found something else, something very interesting, very intriguing. The Touch of Midas. Incorporates pretty much the same idea, however, with a slight variation of the handling of the technique, a multiple coin production. What do you say, guys? Shall we dive deeper into this material? Let me know in the comments. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. If so, smash triple combo, like, subscribe, and notification bell icon. And be sure, in the meantime, more magical stuff is going to be uploaded very, very soon. I wasted so much time today. day because my room is a mess.